Mom and I are gonna go to the grocery store in a little bit, and my mom is, well, my dad is making us these masks. They found the tutorial to do, I guess.
Yeah, well, also the Surgeon General showed it.
Okay.
You might have bandanas in the house. If you do, this is a great way to...
So what, you just fold it up like that in half and then
Oh, wait, hold on, let's go back. Let's show them how we do it. You take a full bandana, right? And then, and I think that there's different ways, right? But the idea is that when you're doing this, is that you're actually doubling the fabric so that the fabric around your mouth or your nose is a little, it's more than one layer. I had to go to CVS because I needed some other essentials, unfortunately. So I was able to pick up these, figuring that if we have different color bandanas.
It's nice, I know, they're coordinating.
Then we could kind of coordinate.
Perfect, guys, nice
Now
job.
watch this. This is where it gets, this is where Daddy's good at it. You have to fold that inside, right?
Okay.
And this, of course, isn't, you know, like medical grade or anything.
No, but it's just like what they're recommending at this point, yeah.
So there you go.
Ah, nice job, guys.
Now try it, Brooke.
Okay.
So look, it hooks on the back of your ear.
Wow.
I mean, you know, look.
On that.
Was it snug?
Yeah, I just have to like really tuck it behind, but my hair is like a mess and stuff. I'm gonna go change and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. My mom's wiping down our groceries. We just got back. Oh, we got a puzzle, Dad. Did you see that?
That was the surprise. Look. So this is going, look at all that blue. It's gonna be, and it's 1,000 pieces.
It's gonna be hard.
We gotta set up the dining room.
We got some Bud Light Seltzer because I want you guys to try it. My parents have never tried it, so I thought that would be fun. I got these to try. I thought these would be cool. So we have all of the baking ingredients. I'm gonna change before I start baking, actually. I'm going to make a little recipe that I found on TikTok that I'll show you guys in a sec. Cookies here. Hi. I can go ahead and link the recipe for you guys below, but it's this girl on TikTok, Shimem Illy. I don't even know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. But basically, I'm substituting the peanut butter for almond butter. I haven't eaten yet today, so I feel like this will be good. But it's oats, almond butter, vanilla, honey, chocolate chips. We have everything out here, so. Oh, and I washed my hands and everything before I started. I changed, obviously. Scrubbed my hands, very good. So keep that in mind, because I know we just got back from the grocery store. So 1 cup of these. That's 1 and a 4th. TikTok is good, but it's like it goes so fast. Are you being sarcastic? This actually looks like a really good consistency. I'm impressed with myself. All right, this is what the consistency looks like, and I'm gonna pop some plastic wrap over it and stick in the fridge for like, it says 30 minutes, but we're gonna leave it in for a little bit longer than that, but I'm excited. That was super easy, obviously. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to use a scooper, and we lined the sheet with parchment paper, and literally just go like this. This is what she did in the TikTok. Oh my God, it looks so good. Hold on. Go in and like properly put them in like a circular form. Nice. I've been straight up chilling today, Saturday, just like watching stuff on my computer and YouTube videos and whatnot, and now it's basically time for dinner, so the weeks are just flying by at this point. Sheesh, whatever. I recorded some podcast ads and Danielle and I conversed about what we're gonna talk about this week, so that's all planned out. We're gonna talk about like our routines or like lack of a routine in quarantine and just things we've been doing, activity ideas, stuff like that, and some fun anecdotes and things like that. My family always does like dinner together. That's like our thing. So it's kind of like breakfast, lunch, you do your own thing. Sometimes we'll eat together, but we always do dinner together, which is really nice. So thankful that they like cooking. So, and I think I'm just gonna FaceTime some friends tonight. Usually that's what I do. Maybe I'll crack open. I got some of those Bud Light Seltzers today. I kind of want to have one. I haven't been drinking that much at all though, I will say, during this time. Just like not too much, because I find that like when I get into habits of drinking a lot, then like it's not good. So like I'm doing it more as like a treat thing, you know? Been trying to drink a lot of water. This is my new Hydro Flask. I think I showed you guys. I love the color. My mom tried to use a bread maker, guys, and it was a flop. Oh, it's like all marbled and stuff. Oh my God, you guys, it is 3 a.m. Well, actually it's almost 4. So I am just finishing up my skincare. I just showered and I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Hopefully I get to sleep in a little bit. All right, half a bagel with some scallion cream cheese. My mom is down here ready for work. Well, no, you look good.
You gave this to me, I think.
The top?
Athletics.
Oh,
Unless I by
cute.
accident took it from you?
No, I probably gave it to you.
Yeah.
I love Fabletics. I just have so much stuff from them, so I'd give my mom other stuff.
I like it.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. I remember that one.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, but my mom has like an item on, so she sits here and watches.
Work. Sunday, the grind.
The grind never stops. I'm about to sit on that section of the couch, eat my bagel, drink my coffee. I woke up really late, you guys. It is...
I said to Daddy that you were going to wake up late because I saw
What time I went
saw your Instagram from
the story that I posted at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
of Sal and I playing Toontown. Yep. I'm back in my tie-dye set, really original. My hair, everything's just like not really working today. I don't feel good, honestly. I have my period. I just feel freaking disgusting. I woke up, I stayed up till 4 a.m. like you guys saw. I slept in until like 11. So I'm just having one of those days that I'm just like, today didn't really exist. It's fine. But I am excited because I got this new mini ring light. I have my bigger Diva ring light, which is really great. It's like a bigger ring light that I use for more like sit down videos and stuff if I'm filming after dark. And then I do have an iPhone tripod, but I forgot those in Boston. Thinking quarantine would be at the most 2 weeks. Of course, I didn't bring any of that stuff home with me. So I purchased this one, which is really cool. It has like a little remote. Well, not remote. It has settings that you could change the brightness. Like I'm playing around with that right now. You can change the color tone. Look at that. I think I like this one that we're on now. And that on Amazon was like $40 or something. It also comes with a remote too. I'm like just selling you guys on this. I didn't even show that I did a face mask, and I'm about to just put on some moisturizer. This is what I've been using, the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. It's just like a good generic moisturizer. Actually, my mom had some extra, so I'm using that because I didn't bring home enough moisturizer, and I was like, oh, I guess I could like place an online order or something. But we tried to go to Trader Joe's so I can get, because I like the Trader Joe's just like gentle moisturizer. The Trader Joe's line yesterday when we tried to go was so busy, which is why we had to go to Target, because I just realized, like I was saying in an old vlog, like I'm trying to avoid Target, but the lines at these places are just absurd. And it is like everyone's enforcing social distancing in the lines, but it's like I don't want to wait in a 2-hour line if I don't have to. That's basically what's up. I feel like a bum because I stayed up so late, so like I'm really not gonna do that again, because like just how I feel right now is not great. The skin is doing okay considering my period and I'm sleeping weird hours. I really want to try some new lip products. I forgot a lot of my lip products also in Boston, and I need thicker moisturizers because I've just been using this mini Vaseline, which is really good just because it's, I don't know, it just does the job. I feel like it's just basic, but I would love to try something new, something that you guys like. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations for good lip products. I know Summer Fridays just came out with a lip product, so I'm kind of interested in trying that. I know that you guys are sick of probably seeing me in the same like 2 clothing pieces, so I did order some more stuff from Urban and Free People, which will be in probably the next vlog. It'll be like some sort of a clothing haul in there because I didn't realize how long quarantine would be. I don't think anybody did. And now that like loungewear is acceptable by like the world, I ordered some more cool loungewear pieces. I feel like everyone's just in loungewear. Like it's weird. The days that people wear jeans, it's like, what are you doing? But sometimes it's fun for pictures or whatever, just to feel a little more put together. Even if you just put it on for a little bit, just to like get out of the house, even just to go grocery shopping or whatever you're doing, sometimes it makes you feel better. I don't know. I'm gonna put on some of the Vaseline now. It's like 4 o'clock. I guess we'll have dinner in a little bit. I really don't know what's going on actually. I wanted to whiten my teeth today too. It's hard to really like have set in stone plans, but I have still been using my planner. Did you guys see all those memes? It's like, why did I even buy a planner? I kind of feel that way, but I am podcasting with Danielle tomorrow. And then I think at 2 o'clock, my dad and I are gonna take a drive. So I like write that in. I do want to start working out again. You guys have probably noticed in my vlogs I've slipped. I came back strong and I was like working out for like a week straight, and then I just fell off the bandwagon and started eating like garbage, and I need to get better about that. So, and I have like the workouts and I have a gym here, so I'm just absolutely being lazy. And I know I've seen everybody's post like it's okay to not be like at your peak productivity right now, but then I also, on the flip side of that, it's like you have so much free time and I'm healthy and I'm able to work out, so like I probably should be doing that. You get me? But yeah, just did the skincare, feeling pretty good. This light is actually really freaking cool. It just plugs into a USB and I'm a big fan of it. Did I just sell you guys on it? Probably. Watching Ozark and snacking on, I just had another one. This is the second one of those energy balls I made. My whole house already ate them. These were the last ones. It made a good amount too. The serving size, I'm gonna definitely make more tomorrow because they're a really good snack just to have on hand and super easy. Ozark is really good. Finally picking up. It's Monday now and I'm gonna start a new vlog, so I will talk to you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, if you could give it a thumbs up and throw me a comment below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Yeah, that's really it. Love you guys. Bye.